Hi everyone, as you might know, I am always looking into the ways how I can restyle the clothing pieces that I already own. So today I am looking for those opportunities how I can play around and reuse the clothing pieces that are still hanging in my wardrobe from the last seasons, autumn or even summer. So if you are interested in expanding the capabilities of your existing wardrobe, then just keep on watching. For the first outfit combination, my key piece is a pair of beige jeans. In the beginning, I was a little bit doubting about the ways how I can wear my beige jeans in the winter, but I realized that I have beige tone combat boots that goes perfectly, and I love that those boots just doesn't visually cut off my legs. So I like the effect and cleanliness that this combination creates. When I am wearing something very casual, I like to elevate my look, and one of the ways to do that is to pick color family that is quite similar. However, to spice up the look a little bit and to bring a little bit more of depth to my look, I am adding this beautiful cashmere sweater by Lily Silk. I love that this cashmere sweater has very delicate and subtle stripes, so it's not that plain, and it gives some edginess to this very neutral tone look. Lily Silk is the brand that I usually go for my silk products, silk blouses, pillowcases, and bedding sets. Actually, this cashmere sweater is already the third one in my collection, and today I'm very happy to be able to offer for you the code GEDRE15 that will give you 15% off everything. So if you are interested in high quality silk products, actually this blouse is also by Lily Silk, check out their website and do not forget to use the code GEDRE15. I am styling this beautiful sweater with a sleeveless white top underneath. I love that the white bit just pops out just in order to create that layered look. And to finalize my look, I have decided to add this simple trench coat that actually is a little bit oversized, and it is an old piece from my mom's wardrobe many years ago. And that is it. This is my final beige tone look with my summer jeans. For the next outfit, I have decided to have a look into the ways how I can wear this beautiful silk blouse by Lily Silk. And of course, the first option is quite simple. I just styled with a pleated midi skirt and with tall boots, and I think that this combination is very elegant and feminine. On the other hand, if I want to create a little bit more interesting look, then I can go for additional layer underneath. Simple high neck sweater. If you are layering the silk blouse or satin finish blouse, it is important to choose the fabric that wouldn't be too heavy. To finalize this look, I decided to opt for a simple pair of dark wash blue jeans and a pair of high-heeled shoes that are not so comfortable, but I just love those shoes so much, and I'm always looking into the ways where I can squeeze in a portion of elegance, because, you know, from my experience, living in elastic waistbands is not good. Oh boy, it's not good at all. I want to show you how I make my outer pieces a little bit warmer. Since my husband is always telling me you have to wear a proper coat, that usually just doesn't look very elegant or nice. So I'm looking for the ways how I can still feel very warm and cozy, but at the same time wear the outer pieces that I want to wear. Okay, so make any outer piece warmer with this maxi cardigan underneath, like so. What I also love about this trick, that usually when I dress down, the cardigan leaves inside the coat, so it is great. So in this case, I want to tone down the brightness of the skirt by pairing it with a little bit darker top. There is a crucial moment because sometimes, you know, you might opt for a black top because, you know, it's dark color, it goes with everything. So it is quite a easy option to go for. However, I feel that adding the black top just doesn't work. It just kills the colors and the fun. The solution in my eyes is a little bit darker tone, but still very rich in color blouse. And to further tone down this look, I am adding brown belt and brown boots. Et voila! So you can try out brown or navy or khaki or even white. So there are a lot of other options if you don't want to go crazy like I did this time. Simple clothing piece that probably every woman on this planet has. I do have actually a pair of beautiful leggings that are stiffer and it really holds everything sucked in place perfectly. However, I have to fix the zip because I was trying too hard. But just to show you that any pair of leggings might work for this look, I will be demonstrating this look with my simple Nikes. This is a very casual look, however, I want to create a smart option to wear my leggings. That's why I am starting with long shirts. And just to add edginess and modern twist to this look, I will be adding this simple knitted gilet. And just to finalize this look, those are actually rain boots, but if I'm wearing a thicker sock, it really works perfectly during the melting days. And to finalize this look, I am adding a coat that actually again elevates a simple pair of leggings. That is actually a very summerish piece. However, the fabric is quite flowy and heavy in a way, so that's why I feel it is appropriate fabric to be worn during the winter as well. As we already discussed, in order to winterize a light bright colored piece is by toning down the whole look. So in this case I might add a black top, however due to the proportions, I don't want to have any harsh horizontal lines right now on me. That's why I am looking for the ways how I can infuse some dark tones in my look, still keeping that beautiful elongated vertical proportion. So to do so, I am adding a beautiful animal print top that has a lot of black spots, but at the same time it has the neutral grayish tone to it as well. That's why it just doesn't create that harsh line on my waist area, and also to elongate this look even more, I am adding white boots. This is the first season when I feel so attracted to those bright light colors. If you feel yourself drowning in this dark season of the year, try out adding color in your life. It really helps. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video inspired you to try out something new, some new ideas or styling tricks. Do not forget that if you want to purchase high quality silk or cashmere products, check out Lily Silk and use the code GETRE15 to get 15% off everything. That is it for today. Thank you so much for staying with me, and see you next time very soon. Goodbye!